This might be the most underrated fitness smartwatch of 2025, and after testing it for 48 hours, I'm shocked at what it can actually do. Hello everyone, today we're going to talk about the Suunto Run smartwatch. So first, let's unbox it. While unboxing, the first thing we see is a small welcome note. They provided a very nice welcome note. Next, we get a black box, and in the middle of the box, the brand name is engraved beautifully. Now let's open it. After opening, on one side, we get our main watch. There's a sticker on top and we'll remove it. This is our watch, very solid build and very colorful. They used a beautiful black and yellow combination. Then on the other side, we get a packet that includes a quick start guide, an instruction manual for attaching the wristband, and some stickers. After that, there's another small packet. Inside this packet, we get two straps of two different sizes, one small medium and one medium large. You can choose based on your wrist size, and the branding is nicely printed on the straps. Then on the other side of the box, we get two more packets. One of them has the charging cable. It's a magnetic charging cable with Type-C. You connect the Type-C port to power, and the magnetic round charging base attaches to the back of the watch to charge it. Lastly, we get another booklet that includes product features and safety instructions.
Alright, let's talk weight. That really matters when you're training. The Suunto Run comes in at 35 grams without the strap, 32 grams bare, and 36 grams with the woven strap. So it's super lightweight, barely noticeable on your wrist, perfect for long runs or all-day wear.
The top has a black bezel portion.
It comes with 1.32-inch AMOLED display.
On one side of the watch, there are 3 buttons, and branding is printed as well. The middle button works like a gear knob, which you can use for scrolling. The upper and lower buttons help you navigate. On the back, there are 4 magnetic dots for charging and the sensor lights in the middle, which measure various data when attached to your wrist. Now let's turn on the watch. To turn it on, just press and hold the middle dial for a few seconds until you feel a vibration. After the vibration, the watch will turn on. As soon as it turns on, we first need to set the basics like language and region. After that, it asks us to connect it to the phone. To connect to the phone, we need to download the Suunto app from the Google Play Store. So let's download the Suunto app first. After downloading, when we open the app, it asks us to sign up. You can sign up using Gmail or Facebook. We're signing up using Gmail. After completing sign up, it asks us to enable a few things like Save Heard, Nearby Devices, Bluetooth permissions, etc. We check those and continue. Then it takes us to the main interface of the app. From here, we enable location and notifications. Then we tap on pairing, and you can see it has already found our device. We click Next. After clicking Next, an OTP-like code appears on the watch. We enter that PIN, and the watch gets paired. After pairing, it asks for permissions like call lock, SMS, other sync notifications, so we allow those. Now we see an update is available, so we click Update. This update might take some time. After the update is complete, we'll continue checking the rest of the features. After updating, we set the time zone. It automatically detects the time zone through GPS, or you can set it manually along with the date and time. One interesting feature is that you can set a password on the watch. Although it's a manual process, let's set a 4-digit password anyway. Every time you turn on the watch, it will ask for the password. Good for security, but slightly manual in my opinion. Alright, after setting the password, our watch is now perfectly connected. Now let's attach the strap. So we take the large strap and connect it here. You'll notice something nice while attaching the strap. They included a push lock mechanism like a small dog hook. Just pull it slightly and the pin goes inside, making it very easy to attach. You can do it yourself with no struggle. They also included a small black packet containing 2 extra pins, which you'll need for the other end of the strap. If we look at the watch interface, using the middle button, you can see all the activities. With the bottom button, you can go back. There are tons of options like running, cross-training, track running, detailed categories for everything. If you run on a treadmill, it can track that. Marathon tracking is available. Even within walking, there are multiple walk types. Under exercises, you'll find yoga, weightlifting, cardio, and many more. Cycling also includes hill cycling, normal cycling, etc. There's no shortage of options at all. Using the top button, you get quick access.
Additionally, you can monitor your heart rate, sleep duration, step count, progress,
training volume, TSS, recovery logbook, outdoor features like compass, sun and moon data, navigation, blood oxygen level, breathing rate. Everything is tracked accurately. It's like having a complete fitness coach on your wrist. And since it's connected to your phone, you can already see that my email notification has appeared here instantly. It works extremely fast and accurately. Now, if we go to the app, you'll see two tabs, Trash and Activities. On the dashboard, you can view detailed daily, weekly, and monthly data. Everything is neatly organized, very convenient, and user-friendly for daily fitness tracking. You can even customize widgets based on your preference, and since the watch has GPS, everything syncs perfectly. In recovery, training volume, each section shows detailed historical data, and notifications arrive instantly, like my messenger message just came in. If you check the app again, you can see details of my activities. On the map, it shows exactly where I walked, the distance, average speed, total steps, and daily, weekly, and monthly statistics, all displayed clearly. Because of GPS, you can view your live map and paths just like Google Maps, showing exactly where you walked, cycled, or trained. You can also change the watch face through the app. There are many designs available. You can download the one you like, sync it, and set it as your current watch face. This feature is very impressive. After downloading and syncing, you can see the new watch face is applied. There are more features like guides, offline music, where you can store and control music offline. Syncing is also easy. Simply click the sync button and it syncs instantly within seconds. Through the three-dot menu, you can find more device details. Through the plus icon, you can add activities, lock periods, control notifications, and more. It's a very detailed and functional app, perfect for daily fitness tracking. For music control, you can play, pause, go to next or previous tracks straight from the watch. But since there is no built-in speaker, you can't listen to music from the watch itself. That's a drawback in my opinion. We walked a little outside and you can see our data is synced. 4,111 steps, calories burned, average calories, BMR, daily calorie target, heart rate, sleep data, oxygen level during sleep, progress, recovery, training volume, all clearly visible. Every detail can be opened with a tap. Notifications also come instantly, very fast and accurate. In the app, you can see detailed activity info with maps, steps, speeds, and monthly, weekly, and yearly summaries. Very detailed and helpful for daily fitness tracking. Now let's charge it. When charging, make sure the 4 magnetic points on the back match exactly with the magnetic charger. If placed crooked, it won't charge. That's a drawback. The pins must align perfectly. Once aligned, it charges properly.
Now, battery life. If you're using GPS, you're looking at 20 to 24 hours of tracking, depending on your settings. And if you've got always-on display enabled, it's still a solid 18 hours. That's enough to crush multiple runs or training sessions without stressing about charging midday. And real quick, Black Friday this year is kind of wild. So here's the full breakdown so you don't miss anything. From November 20th to December 1st, Suunto has stacked deals across the lineup. First, the Race 2 and Vertical 2. Any model you grab comes with a free $49 strap. Doesn't matter if you go standard or titanium. You're getting that extra strap on the house at both the Suunto official store and Amazon. Then, for anyone who wants a budget beast, the Suunto Run is sitting at 20% off, which is honestly a steal for what that watch does. And here's the exclusive part. This one's only on Suunto's US official store. If you pick up a Vertical, Race, or Race S, you can throw in an extra strap for just $1 more at checkout. Literally $1. That's kind of crazy. Links are down below so you can jump straight to the deals. Now let's talk about training modes, because this is honestly where the Suunto Run punches way above its price. You're getting more than 115 sport modes built in. Running, trail running, track sessions, treadmill, cycling, hiking, yoga, strength training. Literally everything you can think of is in there. It genuinely feels like having a mini coach on your wrist. All right, next up, navigation. And this is honestly wild for a watch at this price point. The Suunto Run supports offline maps, which means you can download routes straight to the watch and navigate without needing your phone at all. Let's talk about the display because this surprised me in the best way. The Suunto Run comes with a 1.32-inch AMOLED screen with a super sharp 466 by 466 resolution. The brightness is excellent. Outdoors in direct sunlight, it's still very easy to read. And indoors, it adjusts automatically, so it's not harsh on your eyes. And lastly, heart rate monitoring, which honestly performed way better than I expected. The updated optical heart rate sensor responds really fast, even when you're doing interval training or pace changes. The readings stay stable and consistent, not jumpy like cheaper sensors. If you train using heart rate zones, this watch gives you accurate enough data to trust during your workouts.